So this is something I've read about is rarely occurring, but I've never actually seen it. And what we have here is there's one branch on this peach tree that has a nectarine growing on it. And if we scroll over here, you'll see that there's peaches on the rest of this tree. And what I find interesting is we've never had nectarines on this branch before. And as I said, this is a really rare occurrence where sometimes you have a spontaneous mutation or a genetic breakthrough where some recessive traits cause a different cultivar to grow on a tree. Because I'd read a case about where one of the most popular cultivars of nectarine spontaneously grew on a peach tree in Georgia, and it became a new popular fruit cultivar. So when you're doing your work, look around and observe, and you may see something interesting. Please comment, rate, subscribe. We'll see you on the next video.